I had some questions come into me on Canvas about Lab 3, Motion Part 1, Activity 2, and some students asking how exactly do they go about doing this. So I thought I'd step into our video studio and put together a quick explanation on this. And so you're supposed to take a piece of paper. And so you got this piece of paper, you're going to set it up in portrait mode. And you've got east, and you've got west, and you've got north and south. So you got east, west, north, and south, and you're supposed to follow the directions. Okay, so go through the steps, starting point onward, right? Each segment starts at the end of the previous segment. And so I'm going to start here. And I'm starting down here because we have this big step to the east to begin with, and then we're moving north and northeast, and then we start west and south. But I'm going to go 12, right? I'm going to take a ruler or something like a ruler. It doesn't have to be exactly a ruler, but something that I can do 12 steps to the east. Like, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, if you're using a ruler, this should be 12 centimeters. You've got a paper tape in your lab kit, so you can use the paper tape. So now I've gone 12 to the east, right? So from west to east, and now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the north, and 8 to the northeast. Northeast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need a bigger piece of paper, right? That gets me up there. That's to the northeast. At a 45-degree angle is northeast. Now we're going to go 3 west. 1, 2, 3 to the west. And 6 south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I've done everything anywhere close to correct, it's about like this, right? So you're going to take a picture of this, and you're going to upload it to Canvas, the picture of your drawing on your piece of paper. And so what we're after in the end, though, is how far is it from where we started to where we ended up? All right? How far is it from where we started to where we ended up? Well, let's look at the math behind this. We went 12 east. We went 5 north. Our next step is 8 to the northeast. So to the northeast, right, is a 45-degree angle. And so we're going to do, we've got 8 on mine, 8 cosine of 45 degrees, which is just 1 over the square root of 2, to the east, right? So that's this piece, and then we did that piece. So 8 sine of 45 degrees to the north. Then we did 3 to the west, which is minus 3. Oh, let me put it up here with the east. That's going to be plus minus 3 to the east. I'm getting things all smushed together here, unfortunately. So we went 12 to the east. We went 8 cosine 45 degrees to the east. And then we go minus 3 to the east, because 3 west is just minus 3 east. And then we go minus 6 south. Okay. All right, so what did we do? 12 east, 8 cosine 45 degrees east, minus 3 east. 12 north, plus 8 sine 45 degrees north, minus 3, oh, that's supposed to be north, minus 6 to the north. Why minus 6? Because south is minus north. And so now we know how far, this is how far we went east. And I don't know what that number is. You have to figure that number out. This is how far we went north. All right, so that's going to tell you how far we went east. That's going to tell you how far we went north. And that ends up being the triangle from here to there. All right, that's this piece of the triangle. And what you're after is the hypotenuse. And so you take this side squared and that side squared, and you're just using Pythagorean theorem. So C is a squared plus b squared. And that's how you get through this piece of the problem. Let me scroll down a little bit, grab the mouse. All right. And so, what does it ask? Take a picture, drawing, upload it, calculate the total displacement, enter your result below, right? So the total displacement comes from the Pythagorean theorem, right? And so east, cosine to get west. So in your spreadsheet, you're going to have for east, you're going to have 12, you're going to have 8 cosine of radians of 45, and you're going to have minus 3. And then in the northern direction, you're going to have 5, 8 sine of 45, sine of radians. You've got to convert everything to radians for Excel. And minus 6. And that's for this problem. Your numbers will be different, of course. Or may be different. I don't know if you got the same ones or not. And so that gets us through this problem.